Imagine the traditional construction industry, where building a simple home can drain years and gobble up an astronomical budget. Now picture this. A house springs up from the ground in just 24 hours. Welcome to the revolutionary world of 3D printed buildings. The core of this technology lies in what is essentially a massive 3D printer. Instead of ink, these printers use concrete or a composite material, extruding it layer by layer to form walls and structures right on site. Guided by digital blueprints, the printer moves along a preset track, methodically laying down material according to precise architectural plans. But what exactly goes into these materials? Typically, they consist of a blend of traditional concrete and innovative additives. These additives improve the material's performance, making it not just quicker to dry, but also more durable than standard concrete. Some cutting-edge mixtures even integrate recycled materials, reducing waste and environmental impact. Now, the types of structures one can build with this technology are not just limited to boxy, simplistic designs. From curvaceous, organic shapes inspired by nature to sharp, angular, modernist structures, 3D printing accommodates a broad spectrum of architectural styles. It opens up new vistas in design freedom, allowing architects to explore forms that would be costly or even impossible with conventional construction methods. The benefits of 3D printed buildings extend well beyond their aesthetic versatility. First, there's the incredible speed of construction. A building that would typically take months to erect can now be completed in days. This speed translates directly into cost savings, slashing labor and material expenses dramatically. Moreover, the precision of 3D printing means less material waste during construction, promoting a more sustainable building process. This method also reduces the construction's carbon footprint by minimizing the need for transportation and heavy machinery, which are staples of traditional building sites. In conclusion, as 3D printing technology continues to evolve, its potential to transform the construction industry grows. This isn't just about faster and cheaper building, it's about smarter, more sustainable construction that could redefine how we think about architecture and design in the future. The blueprint for tomorrow's buildings is here today, printed one layer at a time.